Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. So in this session we will be studying the fifth letter of Arabic alphabet. It is called Jeem and its sound is J. Okay, Jeem and sound is J. Okay, so the articulation points for Jeem is the middle of the tongue and the roof of the mouth that lies opposite to it. So that is the middle of the tongue, yeah, and the roof of the mouth that opposite to the middle of the tongue. That's the articulation point. You can see in another diagram. So that is the middle of the tongue. Change it. Okay, that's the middle of the tongue, and this bit is the opposite to the middle of the tongue. Okay. So let me explain that with 3D model. Okay. Okay, let's go there. So first let's go there. Okay. And similarly here. Okay. Okay, so the middle of the tongue would be, that's the middle of the tongue. Okay, you can see here, it's the middle of the tongue. Okay, this area. And if we change that one, see the roof. Okay. That's better. So the articulation point, the middle of the tongue, and you can see the roof of the mouth that is opposite to the middle of the tongue. So this area, that is the articulation point for Jeem, J sound. Okay. Okay, back to the slides. Okay. So is it a light or heavy letter? It is a light letter. So when we are pronouncing it, our lips and mouth remain flat. For example, edge, Jeem, Jeem, edge. Okay, so it's a light letter. Next one, is it a connector or non-connector? It is a connector. Why? Because if you see its connecting forms, then you will see that it is a connecting letter. Because if it comes in the beginning of a letter, of a word, if it comes in the beginning of a word, then you can connect other letters with it after it. If it comes in the middle of the word, then you can connect other letters with it before it and after it. And if it comes at the end of a word, then you can connect other letters with it before it. Okay. So that's why it is a connecting letter. How it is written? So it has kind of two parts. It has the top part and the bottom one. So the top part rests on the line. Okay, this is imaginary round. The top parts rest on the line, and the bottom parts under the line. Okay, and one dot inside it. So now we will draw it. So we will explain that. Okay. Okay. Say the top part rests on the line. So you start like this. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, wait. That's the top part, and you just carry on the down part. Okay, and middle, and there's one dot in the middle. So the top part rests on the line, and the bottom under the line, and there's one dot inside it. Let me write the different forms. Okay, if you're writing this form, the beginning form, it stays on the line, because we have to just write the first part, the top part, not the lower one. So it looks like this. Okay, it's Jeem. If it's in the beginning, if it is in the middle, it looks like this. Okay, so that's Jeem, it's a middle. So you can connect before or after. If it is at the end, looks like this. Okay, Jeem. So can we connect them? Yes, we can. Can you see here? We can connect this with this one, this with this one, because it's connecting letter. So let's suppose we write it as a one word. That would be like this. Okay, okay. So this is in all three forms, and this is the fourth one that's unconnected. Okay. So what is there an equivalent in English? Yes, there is. For example, the J sound, as in judge, that's the equivalent in English for Jeem. And for transliteration purposes, we will be using the sound J, or the letter consonant J. Okay. And okay, that's the end of this session. For next one, what we're going to do is, in next session we will read this out without explanation. For example, like alif, ba, ta, tha, Jeem once, and following that we will do it 10 times, so you get practice with it. Okay. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.